Myself, D. Harinarayana. I am the CEO of Nishka Research Private Limited. The company is incepted almost 1.5 decade back. We are serving for various industries into the life sciences, pharma and biotech industry. And recently we have started one more service which is in compliance with USP 1790, which is of visual inspection kits. So this is also called as NAP kits. This is basically useful for the companies which are manufacturing the parenterals, ophthalmics, and other products which are related to the injections. We provide to the companies who are manufacturing pharmaceutical products and what are the challenges they are facing. So they approach Nishka, and we have the high-end instrumentation in-house. So we are, by using this instrumentation, we are understanding the core problem so that we can provide the kappa. We call it as a corrective and preventive action. Thereby they are getting the solution. We have the high-end niche instruments, which very few companies are having here in India. Like we have the TEM, we are the only private organization, first private organization having the TEM facility for third-party testing. There are TEM instruments, but they are the state-owned instruments or state-owned instrument or the central government-owned instrument, but not the private organizations. So we are having these facilities. The major benefits from our organizations are range from MSMEs to the global companies which are running the major economies. So these are the clients who could benefit from our services.